Okay, so we're out here. We're at Homesense, and Cassie is looking to buy this. What would you call something like this? Drawer set, arm wire to put her towels in.
I like the knobs.
Hmm.
I like the knobs.
Well, maybe because it's a display one, the knobs aren't there. But this is what the knobs look like. It's very pretty, and I love that it's all mirrors. You know, it's nice. This is at Homesense. What's the cost of it?
$350.
It's $350. But you can see your shoes in it, cute. And I'm just wearing these pathetic boots, and Cassie is all dressed up. Tell everybody hi, Cassie.
Hi.
But yes, we're here in Homesense. I like home stores because they have some really nice stuff, you know. And I really wanted to decorate my place for the holidays. Maybe I'll go into the dollar store today and get some things to decorate. Get like a mini tree or something.
Can we see her?
Go ahead.
Hi.
Here's a full-length mirror. Here's my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing a jeans jacket and this sweater I got from Walmart. This scarf I got from Ardennes, and these leggings and these boots I got from Ardennes. I actually like this full-length mirror, Cassie. Do you want to buy it for me for Christmas? It's $80. This is a really good price for a long mirror like this. Holy. This is actually a really good price, eh? It's very pretty also. And it's also very festive.
Tree. What?
Oh, it's a black Christmas tree. Yeah, I've never seen a black Christmas tree either. Power to the trees, power to the trees. Okay, so we're moving on. You want to what? The thing? What do you mean you want to hide it? They have no more in the back?
No. It's whatever you find here, that's it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see it, grab it, because you come back, it's gone.
Oh, that's what Homesense is like. I didn't know that. Oh, I didn't know that.
Come back.
And it's gone. I thought they had more in the back.
No.
Oh, there's whatever you see, you pick it up on the floor.
I need to put it on hold now.
Okay, so go tell them to put it on hold that you want it. I did not know that is how Homesense worked. I thought, you know, you see something on display and then, you know, you tell them that you want it from the back, but nope. And here's Shania, fast asleep. She only sleeps when we go out on the road, y'all. Like, she just sleeps the whole time. So, yeah. I've never seen a black Christmas tree before, though. And I guess it has colored lights in it. I need a Christmas tree for my house. I want to decorate my place for Christmas because, you know, it's Christmas time. So, yes. These candles are so pretty. They're really nice candles. But they're unscented, too bad. It doesn't smell like vanilla or something because that would have been really nice, you know? So, yeah. Still waiting for Cassie to tell them to put her little mirror thingy on hold. But yeah. So she got the lady to put it on hold for her.
I'm not sure.
Did you ask about the knobs? The knobs?
Yeah, they're all inside.
Oh, okay.
So, just to let you know, to tell everybody, the hold is not guaranteed. Some people pulling this and doing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But for like, say 90% will be yours, 95%.
Oh, okay.
So just 5% maybe.
Okay.
Just to be honest with you, because
Fair enough.
people
Mm-hmm.
pulling and you know we have really busy time, so we can.
Mm-hmm.
I will finish my shift and go home, and if I don't see
Okay.
it with you,
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay.
So
until
until
11. Okay.
Okay. We'll be back for you.
You say I'd be the one pulling out.
For other people's stuff. That is rude. Okay. This store is giving me all types of festive inspiration. Like, this is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. I really want a small Christmas tree. How much do they sell theirs for here? What happened? I think I should just get my tree from Dollarama. I feel like these trees are probably going to be expensive. Like, here's a little tree and it's 40 bucks. Yeah, I'm not buying a tree for 40 bucks. I'm going to get mine from the dollar store. I'm going to be cheap. Because you know what? There's nothing wrong with being cheap. The spring plants, are these real or are they fake? Oh. I like those tree thingies. They're cute. I like them. What did you say?
This stuff wasn't here yesterday.
Oh, some of the things that you're seeing, they weren't here yesterday. She said we put out new things since yesterday. Oh my gosh, these little basket thingies are so cute. I could like store like makeup stuff in here. This is cute. $20. This is actually so cute. I wonder if my makeup stuff would fit in this. Well, I think it would. $20. I like this. I think I want this, Cassie. I think I want this.
What are you gonna put in there?
My makeup.
I feel like I can find me something bigger. I feel like you need something bigger.
I don't want something too big. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna leave it on the table where I record.
Don't worry.
I don't want something so big.
Sorry.
Yep, she's okay.
Sure. Your wheel was this way.
Okay. Well, yeah, I really like this though.
Show my screw face.
Hitting my daughter and everything. But she's okay. I actually really do like this because I can put my makeup in it. I ordered a little makeup brush holder that I could easily just put on the top, but like my palettes and stuff and my other makeup items could totally go in here. So I think I'm gonna buy this. So can I please drop this in your cart? Mm-hmm. Now what if the dollar store has something cheaper than this? Can I bring it back?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we do beauty on a budget around here, So I ain't got dollars to dish out like Cassie does in Homesense. So we on a budget. We on a budget. But I actually do like that little case because I can just put my makeup stuff in there because I'm expecting a lot of new products to come in because I ordered a whole bunch of makeup stuff. Plus I got a whole bunch of new makeup items for the beauty supply store and I literally need somewhere to put all of them. So I need to get organized. What did you say? What you say? This is actually so cute to put like on a shelf. It says love. This is actually really cute. There's so many nice things in Homesense, y'all. So many. This is $30. It's $30. This is my time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the town. Mix in a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. Christmas carols are in full effect around here. I love Christmas carols, like legit. I love Christmas carols. Oh, that's cute.
Not for $20.
Not for $20 though. But it is cute. Y'all, Homesense is like a really, really cool store. Like, I actually really like it in here because there's so many, like, really nice things in here, you know? It's a little bit pricey, but I mean, the stuff looks awesome. It's amazing, you know? I see things in here that I would buy for myself. But, you know, we're not buying things for myself today. It's about Cassie. You know? It's about Cassie today, right, Cassie? Even got a toy section in here. Things for, like, bedrooms and stuff. These things. They got sheet sets. Comfortable sets. I actually want a bedspread for my bed. Don't sit on it, Cassie. I feel like you'd buy something like this for yourself to sit on.
I would. Yeah.
I know you would.
I could use this as like a kitchen step stool, right?
Oh yeah.
No, people think I'm weird.
Short people problems. It's all good. It's all good.
Is it weird if I start buying baby stuff even though I don't have a baby?
You can start to prepare. That's okay. It's okay to start to prepare.
But I should probably be pregnant first, no?
Sometimes when you do things like that, you speak it into existence, you know? So if that's what you're trying to do. You just start to buy things little by little, and you know, that's just how it works, you know? Oh my gosh. More bed stuff and some festive looking things here. Oh, it's wrapping paper. So to get your wrap on, you know, and trying to make those nice Christmas presents. It's wraps.
No, not that. These cracker things. Like, what do you use them for?
Oh,
Like on Christmas
musical
Day,
crackers. Do you open
break
them? I have no idea. No idea. I just think
so
they look
many.
festive. So,
Must be popular.
so is it like firecrackers just for indoors?
I don't know. Is there
Musical
candy inside?
crackers. Choking. There must be instructions on what the hell it is. Warning. How to pull a cracker. 2 people hold each end of the cracker between the thumb and the forefinger, holding the cracker firmly, twist and pull. The person who retains the majority of the cracker win its contents. Oh, so there's stuff inside.
Is it like a
There's
Thanksgiving
treats
thing? Like, you know how
inside.
you like break the
Oh.
bone or something? Like a little
They have one
thing?
for Guess Who. Y'all remember the game Guess Who? That was a sick game. I loved the game Guess Who.
And I guess this is the stuff that's inside.
Yeah,
Like
cards and little. I guess it's like family oriented. It's pretty interesting. So, what do generic ones like this have on the inside? Like, what would be on the oh, the same thing on the back.
This one has like just whistles or something. I don't know.
This is interesting. I've seen these before, but I've never really knew what they were. You have some really pretty ones. Like this one is really pretty. This set is really pretty. It looks very royal, like, you know. It's nice. So we are back in the car now. We finished with Homesense. She didn't even end up getting the thing because she wasn't about spending all that money. She started doubting the purchase, which I do sometimes. Because I didn't even get the makeup thing, you know. We both just doubted our purchases and came out of the store. But we did go to Dollarama, and I did get some things from Dollarama. So did Cassie. And now he's going to get some food. I want some McDonald's. She had McDonald's yesterday, doesn't want me to get McDonald's now. Which is a problem because I want McDonald's, so...
There's Harvey's,
you know?
And to Chalet.
Yo, it is to Chalet still, but I'd have to go inside and eat, and I don't want to go inside and eat with Chana. You know?
Got you.
Because, like, as soon as I get comfortable, I know she's going to start with her antics. So, I just want my McDonald's.
Oh.
Go Cassie, go Cassie, go Cassie, go Cassie. Oh, 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 oh. So I am now back home after being on the road with Cassie pretty much like all day. We had a really, really good day today, but Lord knows I am exhausted right now. I am about to have some dinner, and Shania is chilling in her swing. I just changed and fed her, so she's chilling, and I'm going to eat my dinner. So thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.